Alright, so this question is reformat phone number. So basically, you are given the string numbers. You try to group, and you try to group at 3. But if the remaining number doesn't have length of 3, you can fill with this 2 constraint by 2, group by 2, group by 4. So yeah, I'll have to jump into this example pretty quickly. So this is going to be a number string. You need to pull all the number out. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Having the index, keep on track where you locate right now. Try to group if possible. So I'm going to say I'm going to group for 3. So I'm saying does I plus 3 still less than the length of the this is equal digit. So is it still less than digit? If so, I'm going to group of 3. If directly equal to 4, I plus 4 is equal to the digit. Then I'm going to split into 2 block of digit 2, right? So and then definitely length of 3 is the the minimum required, right? And then there's another situation. It's going to be I plus 2 equal to digit. I'm just giving this the idea. So in this situation, 1, 2, 3 become a group, 4, 5, 6 become another group. In this situation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 will become the first group, and then the remaining is 4, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So it's length of 4. We want to split into block of 2. So 4, 5, and 6, 7, and this will be the same thing for this. So 1, 2, 3. And this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? This is length of 5, right? So I'm going to just say I'm going to group another one for length of 3, and then the remaining digit is 2, so it's 7, 8 for the remaining. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. So what you need to do is you want to have digit equal to, so you can use this numbers, something like this, and private string numbers, string numbers, and I'm going to have a string builder. And then I'll return string builder to string. So for char C number to char array, I'm going to say if character is digit. If this is true, then I'm going to append. So this is an easy way to append a character, append a digit into the string builder. And then after this, I'm going to create another string builder for return value. So in this case, I'm having a pointer. So while I less than digits.length. So at this moment of time, I don't need the number string. I need a digit string. So if I plus 4, so I plus 4 is exactly to the digits.length, I'll have to split into the block of 2 by 2, right? And then else if I plus 2 is equal to digits.length, then this will be another scenario, right? And else if I plus 3 less than equal to digits.length. So this is like a general situation where I plus 3 less than, right? You do the group of 3, but what happens if this is equal as well? It's also you also can form a digit. Form a 3 digit into a group with block of 3, right? And then this will be pretty much it. And everything else, I'm going to say if I still less than the digits.length, I'm going to say string builder append the hyphen. So this will be I plus equal to 3. This will be I plus equal to 2. This will be I plus equal to 4, right? So what happened to I plus equal to 3? So it's going to be sp.append digit dot substring from I plus 3. and this will be the same thing. I plus 2, and this will be the same thing. I plus 2, and the other pen, and then the other pen, the other block of 2, so it has to be starting from I plus 2 to I plus 4. So this will be pretty much like pretty standard solution. Yeah, okay. Time and space pretty solid. You know, space is all of n. This one, get number is all of n for time. This is definitely all of n. So yeah, this is pretty clean. And then there's another solution. Let me just copy over. So you can replace whatever. I mean, basically take all of the between 0 and 9 out from the number string into a digit. Create a string builder. This is my pointer. Start traversing based on the digit, and I'm going to calculate the remaining. If the remaining is greater than 4, I'm append group of 3, and I automatically add a hyphen because it's a group of 3, right? And definitely plus equal to 3, right? And if this is equal to 4, right? And I will do another block of 2 combination, and I plus equal to 4, and I mean definitely the next iteration will break out, so I don't need to say return. And then I remaining equal to 3, it will be similar, I plus 3 remaining equal to 2, I plus 2 remaining equal to 1 equal to I plus 1. And then this is a whole entire logic. And let me run it. Yeah, the time and space is all of n, time is also all of n, so that'll be a solution. All right, peace out.